Outgoing NBI officials hope those who will replace them will pursue the important cases that they will be leaving behind. These include rice smuggling and housing scams. Noel Perfecto reports.
One of the newly appointed officials of the National Bureau of Investigation, who would replace the former officials of Intelligence and Investigation Divisions of the Bureau, finally went to his office today. Attorney Ricardo Pangan, who would take over Attorney Ruel Lasala of the Investigation Division, said that his position serves as a great challenge to his capacity, but accepts the new responsibility wholeheartedly.
Maybe in all the endeavors we have, it's always a challenge. Basta may pinabigay sa yung bagong katungkulan, natural, you have to work on it. Try to be efficient. Hindi lang yun pero lahat ng tao.
Former NBI official Attorney Lasala was also present as he showed to the tricks of the trade to Director Pangan, leaving important cases such as rice smuggling, Saro scam, financial scams, Delphine Lee case, and cybercrime cases. Meanwhile, Attorney Lasala and Attorney Ray Esmeralda, former Deputy Director for Intelligence of the Bureau, said that they would pursue with the explanation that they need from the Justice Department in connection with their termination from office, and also their revelation as to the two NBI officials allegedly involved in the Janet Lim Napoles.
Nagkaroon kami kayo ng parang informal kasi nag-assume na siya ng command kanina, nakausap niya ng mga tao ko at nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap kanina at inihabiling ko sa kanya ang lahat ng units at tao under the investigation service.
May inisyu na ng Administrative Order number 4 si Director Mendez na nag-create ng panel para imbestigahan yung allegation na yan, ano. And then hintayin natin kung kailan tayo papatawag ng panel para mag-testify tungkol doon.
The People's Television tried to get the side of newly assigned NBI officials, but the officials declined. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.